Okay, so let's just jump right into this video. I'm starting with the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo, which is designed for extremely dry and brittle hair. This video that you see here linked above is just my more detailed review on this shampoo. So after you're done with this video, be sure you go ahead and check that out. Now, in my opinion, this shampoo easily lathers and definitely hydrates my hair. I love how soft my hair feels after using this shampoo, and it does not strip my hair, but it definitely cleans it. So if you are in need of a shampoo to help hydrate your hair, if your hair is dry, I definitely recommend. As you can see, the price is right here, and you know, it doesn't hurt to try it out. Now we are getting into the meats and potatoes of this video. This is the sugarcane extract and Meadowfoam seed silicone free mask. All you do is apply to wet or dry hair, but in my case it will be wet hair. Distribute from roots to ends, leave in for 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So I decided to take this opportunity while the mask was in my hair and detangle, which as you can see took me no effort to do. Now the scent isn't my favorite, but it's not like it's a horrible smell. It's just not my cup of tea. So after detangling each section, I went ahead and did my normal shower routine with no shower cap or plastic bag. I allowed the heat from the shower to penetrate the mask onto my hair. Then after the 5 minutes, I rinsed it out. As you can see, I have some definition and my hair is pretty soft. Last but not least is the sugarcane extract and Meadowfoam seed silicone free miracle styler leave-in treatment. With this leave-in treatment, you spray directly into the palms of your hands and gently run fingers through dry hair, styled hair, or you can mist through damp hair prior to detangling or heat styling. Now, as you all saw, while I was spraying it into my hands, it sprays literally little to nothing at a time. It is a bit annoying because with any kind of leave-in, I need to get a good amount just to apply to one section. I can see the spray benefiting when it comes to product control, but I'm heavy-handed, so yeah, that doesn't work for me. The product itself moisturized my hair and also gave me definition. It also prepped my hair well before my twist out. So as this comes to an end, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Shout out to all my new subbies, and shout out to everyone who's been with me for a while during this natural hair journey. And I thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye.